Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Jaafar, metric number DB190192 from Faculty Technique and Vocational in Education in course Electric and Electronic. So, today I will present my final year project 1, which is the title of my product is Development of Sonic Golf Ball Picker using ESP32 Wi-Fi module. So, firstly, we go to my supervisor. This is Dr. Muhammad Saimi bin Haji Sulong, which is he helped me along the journey in my development of my product. So, we go to the next, which is the panel. The first panel of my final year project 1 is Prof. Madya Dr. Nur Lisa binti Sulaiman, and then the second is Technologies Encik Imran bin Hussein. And this is me, which is my name is Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Jaafar. Then we go to the first chapter. Chapter 1 include introduction. Golf practice field provide the need for golf beginners a suitable place to practice golf ball hitting. Crew members of the golf practice field need to drive a cart to retrieve all the golf balls that have been hit and left in the practice field back to the hitting stand. Nevertheless, hiring personnel to pick up golf balls are too costly, especially under the circumstance that cost down have become a trend in business and industry. So what is the meaning of the cost down? So cost down in the sentence means low cost in industry have become a trend. To pay the salary to the higher people to pick up the golf ball is so expensive, and so it's the trend in industry golf to build a machine to make the cost more cheaper. So that is the means of the cost down in the sentence. So we go to the problem statement. The current method of picking up golf ball nowadays use hand and machine. In addition to the current design, user body posture would not be ideal, and the worker would also tired of picking the ball in large quantities. Such work is tedious and causes many health problems related to back pain, even when it is performed with the help of mechanical device such as carts or trolley, which may improve the efficiency, but they also require a big effort and still produce significant fatigue. And then we go to the background study. That is 3 background study, which is the first is the traditional, and the second one is the buggy solution, then third is the autonomous and semi-autonomous device. And then so we go the first one, which is the traditional. So in many circumstances, a worker plucking golf ball with only a basket is used, according to Pakeco 2008. Even when it's done with the use of mechanical device like carts or trolley, which can help with efficiency, it still takes a lot of effort and costs a lot of tiredness. And then we go to the buggy solution. The buggy option is chosen as a more efficient method of golf ball collection. High capacity basket, 1,800 balls, and relatively quite quick collecting rates, 4,000 balls per hour are used. They are, however, human operate and need a substantial upfront expenditure. This is a concern since on the one hand, it requires a person to operate the machine, which increase the cost of human labor, and on the other hand, it is substantially more expensive for low utilization rates when maintenance costs are factored in. In addition, the buggy necessitates a parking area which comes at an additional fee. And then we go to the third, which is cover autonomous and semi-autonomous device. Researchers are already working on new method to improve the task of picking up golf ball. According to Ming Jishan Wang in 2006, there is an autonomous robot on the market that aims to perform this task in a straightforward manner. It moves at random within a wire restricted boundary, collecting all balls in its path. This robot has a container that can hold 400 balls, which is have weight around 65 kilogram, and travels at speeds of up to 3.6 km per hour. And then we go to the third one, which is cover the objective. The first objective is to desire the golf ball picker that used to pick a golf ball from training range for easy use. Second one is to develop a golf ball picker to achieve the product on customers' need and can reducing a manpower. And then the third one, to test the functionality of development of sonic golf ball picker using ESP32 Wi-Fi module. And then the last one is to test the usability of development of sonic golf ball picker using ESP32 Wi-Fi module through users and expertise evaluation. And then for the scope project, the scope of this project is to collect golf balls that are on the field. The concept used to pick up the golf ball is to use the concept of the ball launcher. It uses a motor to lift the ball into storage. This product also uses a PIR sensor to detect the golf ball that have been collected, and MB09 2-digit counter for a display that show the count of golf ball found in storage. So we can see in the screen that is 4 picture, which is cover this in the left is a PIR sensor. And then this one is the L2989 motor driver board. And then this is the 5 volt DC motor. And then the last one is MB09 2-digit counter for the counter. So we go for the chapter 2. Okay, I have found 4 literature review from the past. The firstly is the Pocky robotic ball collector on golf range, which is this product was developed in 2016. Okay, this product have PIXY cameras, and then this also didn't need an electric to use to function the robot. And then this also made from the acrylic. The material of the collecting the ball is the acrylic, which is they build less than 1 millimeters for the golf ball to enter into the storage. And then the second one is the vision-based navigation for golf ball collecting mobile robot, which is developed in 2013. So for this product, which is using wide view image from the camera at the top, and also use the map is in the computer. So this product motion command can be sent by wireless. So this product use wireless to commands the motion for the product. And then the third one is autonomous golf ball picking robot design and development, which is developed in 2012. So this product is have 3 wheels, which is a driving wheels, which is they have 2 driving wheels and a cast wheel. It also can collect 1,200 balls in one single journey, and the weight is 130 kg and capable of climbing slope of up 22 degrees. And then the last one is the topic, and the last one is the design and implementation of a prototype vision guide golf ball collecting mobile robot in 2005. So we go for the chapter 3. I will use the model EDP, which is EDP means engineering design process. The EDP model is a method that identifies a problem and finds its solution based on several systematic and orderly steps in various ways. EDP is one powerful and flexible approach to problem solving and can be used in all situations. Basically, engineering teams repeat the steps in this model as many times as needed, making improvement along the way. So for the model EDP, we have 6 steps for this development of product. First is the state the problem. So in the state of the problem, we identify and establish the need. And then the second one is develop a problem statement. And then we can establish criteria for the success. The current method of picking up the golf ball, picker nowadays use only machine and hand. In addition to the current design, user body posture would not be ideal, and worker would also be even more tired of picking the ball in the large quantity. Then the new strategy are problematic and challenging because it also makes the user feel unfit, according to Rosma 2019. And then the second one is research problem. In the research problem, sequentially stating the problem in plain and clear terms in the first stage. In the problem solving process, defining the issue is different from identifying a need. Finding a need is the first step in formulating a problem definition statement. So we can look for the Korea. There are more than 20 million golfers, and there are over 5,200 golf practice driving range. Golf ball collecting is a time-consuming task that requires human resource and a set amount of daily time in a normal driving range. So we can go to the next step is to select a solution. So for the third step, once conceive alternative solution to the design problem, then need to analyze those solutions and then decide which is the solution is best suited for the implementation. And then for the fourth one is developing of a prototype. So in this phase, the whole requirements will be converted to the production environment. In this subtopic, we'll tell with respect to the product developed through the design that was made in the previous phase to produce the Sonic golf ball picker product. So we go for the first one is flow chart for the product. Okay, so we can see the flow chart of the product. We can see from the start, and then the second one is the ball recognition system active, and then we can see this product searching the ball. If the ball found, the product will collect the golf ball, but if ball not found, it will searching the ball again. And then if the product collect the golf ball, and then the sensor and the counter will work until the capacity storage less than 15 golf ball only, and then the product the Sonic golf ball picker will back to owner again. If the storage is not enough, and then we can also searching the ball again. So we go to the flowchart for the remote control. So for the remote control, firstly we start and remote control will on, and then we can control by owner, and then this is a decision of movement. We want to go to the forward, backward, right or left. We can control the remote control car, and then car will find the golf ball in the range field, and then this is the end of the flowchart. And then we go to the block diagram. So this is the block diagram. In the middle of the screen, we can see the microcontrol unit, which is use ESP32 Wi-Fi module. Is the component that used to control all the component in the product, which is this is the input data remote control car. Then this is the motor drive unit using L298N motor driver board module. Will control the DC motor A and DC motor B. Okay, and then for the sensing unit, we use PIR sensor for this product. After the sensor sensing the golf ball, and then the display digit counter will work and will count the golf ball that have been picked up. And then for the fifth is evaluate. The sonic golf ball picker is finished. The product will be tested in the testing phase. Administrators and users conduct this testing to guarantee that the system construct and can meet the needs of user. After each unit has been tested, all the units built during the implementation phase are merged into a system. The complete system is then tested for any flaws or failures after it has been integrated. If everything goes well, the researcher will build and assemble a complete sonic golf ball picker product. And then the last one is present result. Once conceive alternative solution to the design problem, this need to analyze those solutions and then decide which solution is the best suit for implementation. Analysis is the evaluation of the proposed design, then apply the technical knowledge to the proposed solution and use the results to decide which solution must carry out. And then for the last chapter is expectation result. We go for the schematic circuit first. So this is the schematic circuit of sonic golf ball picker, which is use a 7-segment display, power supply, ESP32 Wi-Fi module, L2989 motor driver board module, 5V DC motor and PIR sensor. And then we go to the design of sonic golf ball picker, which is a cover 2D design, which if we can see in the left of the screen, which is the side view of the product, and the middle is the top view of the product, and then the right one is the front view of the product. Okay, so we can see for the 3D design of sonic golf ball picker. So this is the design of my product. We can see this is the remote control car. This is the mechanism that okay, we can see for this product, and then this is the control unit. We can control the remote control car. This is the remote control car, and then the front of the product, which is we put the mechanism that will collect the golf ball, and then this is a module. This is a motor that have collect the golf ball to pick up into the storage. And then we can see in the storage that have the PIR sensor to count the golf ball into the storage. And then the back of the storage, we can see this is the 7-segment display for the counter to count the golf ball into the storage. So that's only for my presentation, final year project 1. That's all for me. Thank you.